There are three other technologies which sort of wind their way through our future history in the next 20, 30 years. The first is deep learning, the ability for artificial intelligence to learn new information, whether that is pattern recognition or absorbing huge amounts of information and applying it in respect to decision making. Computers will be able to learn faster than we ever could as humans and take in amazing amounts of information. To illustrate, Google's self-driving car, as an example, captures 1 gigabit of information every second of every day as it's driving around. This is an incredible amount of information. We can no longer compete as humans with the amount of information that computers are processing and synthesizing. So when it comes to giving advice, artificial intelligence, machine intelligence and algorithms will soon have an advantage over human advisors. 3D printing is a dynamic and interesting field that we're looking at for the future. The ability to print electronic components, print screens, even print replacement body parts. We are looking at organs being 3D printed, bones being 3D printed, and even now advancements in prosthetics which are being 3D printed. Incredible advances. And the other material that sort of goes in parallel with 3D printing is the use of exotic or metamaterials. There's some incredible new materials and material science coming out of things like nanotechnology, which will allow us to construct incredible devices and incredibly strong and incredibly light components. And this extends much further out into later in the century. We'll be looking at new propulsion technologies and things like that. Mining asteroids in the asteroid belt. There's some longer term projections here. But these are some of the longer term themes we see in terms of augmented technologies in the augmented world.